Welcome to Study Loop.
Our question says that two cars approach a street corner at right angles to each other. See figure 35. Car 1 travels at 35 kilometers an hour, and car 2 travels at 45 kilometers an hour. What is the relative velocity of car 1 as seen by car 2, and what is the velocity of car 2 relative to car 1? So I wrote down what we were given. Car 1 is 35 miles or kilometers per hour, and I put that as in the positive j hat direction relative to the figure. And then the velocity of car 2 is 45 kilometers an hour, and then from the figure I noted that that was in the I hat direction. And then we were asked, what is the velocity of 1 compared to 2, which I write as v1 relative to 2, v1, 2. And then we also want to know velocity of 2 relative to 1. And I write that as v21. And I draw out in the diagrams here what we were given. And the red line in each diagram, each case, is what we're trying to find, v12 and v21. Well, it's pretty easy to see from the diagram that v12 is going to be equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So it's going to be minus v21. So we really only need to find one of these, and then we can just add a negative sign to it, and we'll know the other one. So let's go ahead and do the first one, v12. Well, v12 is going to be v1 minus v2, which is equal to negative v2 is negative 45 in the I hat, right? Plus a positive v1 is 35 in the j hat. And both of those are kilometers per hour. Okay. And this makes sense too. If you look at the diagram, v12, you see that the direction is in the negative x direction, so in the negative I direction. And then it's also in the positive y direction or the positive j direction. So we have a negative 45 for the I direction and a positive 35 for the j direction. So that makes sense. Okay, so then we are going to now use the fact that v12 is equal to minus v21 to find v21. So we're just going to add a minus sign to v12. There's a minus here now. So this equals 45 in the I hat. It's positive now, minus 35 in the j hat. And these are both kilometers per hour. Okay, so we can box these two solutions in because those are our two solutions we were asked to find. There's one, and here's the other.